Yes, students. So in the last video, we discussed actually just an introduction part of the quadratic equation. So now in this video, so we are going to learn actually how to recognize the given condition is a quadratic equation or not. We have to identify that one. Okay. So now we took the 4 example problems here. First example you just see here. X minus 2 whole square plus 1 which is equal to 2x minus 3. Some operations are pending there. Okay. So just by looking the condition here 2 is there. So we can say that this is a quadratic equation. So we cannot do that one actually. After the simplification, when we got the final result, no, so then we are able to see whether it is a quadratic equation or not. So that type of problem we took here. The question is heading is like this. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. The question is check whether the following are quadratic equations. Now we are going to solve these 4 problems. Okay. So first one. X minus 2 whole square plus 1 which is equal to 2x minus 3. So we have to check whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Here you just observe. X minus 2 whole square, one operation is there. We have to apply one identity. Which identity? A minus b whole square. So let us apply a minus b whole square here. That is a square minus 2ab. 2 into x into 2, that is 4x, right now, plus 2 square is 4. Directly I am writing. I am not going to substitute that a square minus 2ab plus b square. Direct you can write now. So, okay, x square minus 4x plus 4. Next here plus 1 is there, which is equal to 2x minus 3. Which is equal to 2x minus 3. Next, x square minus 4x. Here, 4 plus 1 is plus 5. Then can you take this 2x and minus 3 to this side? Yes, minus 2x. Minus 3 here plus 3 which is equal to that side 0. Okay, next, x square minus 4x minus 2x, that is minus 6x. Then 5 plus 3, that is 8 is equal to 0. Now final result we got x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c which is equal to 0. Right now where a value is nothing is there, in the sense a value is 1, b value is minus 6. Because in the standard form we are observing plus here, but here minus 6 is there. So b value is minus 6, c value is 8. Therefore, this is a quadratic equation. The first condition is quadratic equation. Got the idea of this type of problem? You have the same to same problems in your first exercise. Is that clear? Okay. So now let us come to the second one. X into x plus 1 plus 8 which is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. Just when we observe this one, is it a quadratic equation? Okay, no, there is no square power. So we cannot say that this one is a quadratic equation. But we have to simplify this one. X into x plus 1, some operations are there. Let us start with this. X into x, x square plus x into 1, x plus 8. Okay, here x plus 2 into x minus 2. Are you observing the identity there? A plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So x square minus 2 square. X square minus 2 square. Next, x square plus x, okay, plus 8. Can I take these two this side? Okay, minus x square. Then plus 2 square is 4, which is equal to 0. Which is equal to 0. Now you just observe. Plus x square minus x square get cancelled. Plus x square minus x square get cancelled. What is remaining actually? X plus 12 is equal to 0. X plus 12 is equal to 0. See here the answer. X plus 12 is equal to 0. So here we are not observing the power 2. Variable power is not 2. So can we say that this is a quadratic equation? No, this is not a quadratic equation. Not a quadratic equation. Is that clear? Quadratic equation. So this is the method to identify whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Now let us come to third one. Third problem, x into 2x plus 3 which is equal to x square plus 1. Now x into 2x, 2x square plus x into 3, 3x which is equal to x square plus 1. Now take this to this side, 2x square plus 3x minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Then 2x square minus x square is x square. 3x plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Are you observing ax square plus bx plus c condition? Yes, of course. Ax square plus bx plus c condition is there, is equal to 0. Therefore, this is quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation. Is that clear? So next, last one, x plus 2 whole cube. X plus 2 whole cube. Which formula we have to apply? A plus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube expansion? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay. So a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. That identity also you can use. Here we'll write a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Or you can write this expansion in the form of a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a 3a square b, then 3ab into b 3ab square. Is that clear? Okay. So now x plus 2 whole cube. So that is x cube plus b cube, 2 cube, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Next, 3a square b, let us substitute that one. 3 into a square under x square, b under 2, okay, plus 3 into x into 2 square, okay, which is equal to x cube minus 4. X cube minus 4. Now, x cube plus 8 plus 3 2s are 6x square plus here 2 square under 4. 4 3s are 12x. Okay, which is, let us take this to this side, okay. Minus x cube plus 4 is equal to 0. Next step, plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. Next, 6x square, only 6x square. Next, this term is over, 12x plus 12x. Okay, then 8 plus 4 is 12 is equal to 0. Are you observing the quadratic equation form? Ax square plus bx plus c which is equal to 0. Yes, this is a quadratic equation. Is that clear, students? This is the way to identify whether the given condition are quadratic equation or not. So got the idea of the introduction of the quadratic equation now? Now today you have to solve that first exercise. Okay, that first exercise is homework. We'll discuss the homework part in the next class. Okay, is that clear? So this is about the quadratic equation chapter. So now I think for quadratic equation for today this much is enough. So first exercise is today's homework in the quadratic equation chapter. So this is a very important topic. You have to understand the topic properly. Okay, yes. So I think if the quadratic equation concept is clear, so what we'll do actually, shall we end this recording version, not end this class, okay, don't think that. Last one problem I have to explain in the arithmetic progression, just 10 minutes I need for that. So what we'll do, recording version, shall we continue in this only? Only Chandana school members are observing that one, no? I think no need to take the 3-3 recording version. We will continue that arithmetic progression in this video only. Is that clear, no? Okay, yes, okay. So then we'll continue with the arithmetic progression. Okay, arithmetic progression revision part, that assignment work part here. Akshay, please share the page. Last 13th question, you just share the page of 13th problem. Yesterday we discussed half that problems, no? Yes. Arithmetic progressions. Okay, 13th problem. Can you give the mouse? Okay, students, let us continue with the arithmetic progression revision part. See, we are discussing actually 13th problem, right? So 13th question is like this. The sum of first n terms of an AP. Sum of first n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 5n. Find the sum of the first 20 terms. Find the sum of the first 20 terms and find which term of AP is 152. Which term of AP is 152. Okay. So here n terms, sum of n terms is already given. Sn is equal to 3n square plus 5n is given. So sum of n terms is given actually. So we have to find out A. Okay. How to find out A and D here? Yes, n is equal to 3n square plus 5n. If we substitute n is equal to 1, we'll get sum of one term. One term andre only one term. That is a single term. First term we'll get actually. So in place of n, let us substitute 1. Then 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 1. Then s1 is equal to 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Then S1 is equal to 8 in the sense A is equal to 8. First term is 8. Now let us substitute N is equal to 2. S2. S2 is equal to 3 into 2 square plus 5 into 2. Then 3 into 2 square is 4 plus 5 2s are 10. Then 12 plus 10 which is equal to 22. Sum of the first two terms is 22. Not the second term is 22. Sum of the first two terms in the sense first term is 8. So in that, so 8 is in this 22 actually 8 is also there. We have to remove that 8 to get A2 actually. A2 is S2 minus S1. So A2 is 22 minus 8, that is 14. A2 second term is 14. Now from this only you will get the D value. Now D is equal to, so second term minus first term, that is 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Okay. Now you got A value, D value. What we have to find out? Sum of first 20 terms we have to find. So that we have to use with the Sn formula. So now Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, 20 we have to find. Then 20 by 2 into 2 into a is 8, 16. Then here 20 minus 1 is 19, into difference is 6. So here 20 by 2 is 10. Then here 16 plus 19 6 are 114. Then 10 into 130. So that is 1300. Sum of 20 terms is 1300. Now what we have to find here? So 152 ಎಷ್ಟನೇ term? Okay, 152 ಎಷ್ಟನೇ term ಅಂತ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So for that we have to use an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. an, so that is 152. 152 ಎಷ್ಟನೇ term ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? So a is 8, n minus 1 into 6. Then 152 which is equal to 8 plus 6 into n is 6n minus 6. Then 152 is equal to 2 plus 6n. Here 8 minus 6 is 2 plus 6n. Then 152 is equal to 6n. Okay, 152 which is equal, sorry, 152 here minus 2, then it is 150 is equal to 6n. Then n is equal to 25. N is equal to 25 in the sense 25th term is 152. N value we have to find out there. N value. An is given actually 152. ಎಷ್ಟನೇದೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 152 ಇದೆ. So that type of problem we have to take an actually. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N which decides the place number. Okay. So an is 152. N is pending actually. So a is given, d is given. Okay. So then start with the problem. N you will get 25. Then a25 is 152. It indicates the value that a25 is 152. And the 25th place is 152. In an AP, actually in the 25th place we can observe 152. Got the idea of this problem, students? Okay. Yes. Now the last question of this arithmetic progression. The sum of the third and seventh terms of an AP is 6. It is also a very simple problem only. Sum of the third and seventh term. Third term is A3. Seventh term is A7. See here. A3 plus A7 which is equal to 6. Okay. A3 plus A7 which is equal to 6. A3. How can we write A3 in the general form? A plus 2D. A3 we can write it as A plus 2D. A7 A plus 6D which is equal to 6. You all know how to substitute this one, no? A plus 2D plus A plus 6D is equal to 6. Sum of the third term and the seventh term is 6. Then here A plus A 2A, 2D plus 6D is 8D is equal to 6. Then here 2 is a common factor. Then A plus 4D is equal to 3, dividing the whole equation by 2. Then A is equal to 3 minus 4D. This is according to the first condition. In the first condition, we got the result A is equal to 3 minus 4D. Next, something is given. Again, one more statement is given. See, again I'll repeat this question. The sum of the third and seventh terms of an AP is 6. Okay? For that, we got the result A is equal to 3 minus 4D. And their product is 8. Their product only 8. A3 into A7 is equal to 8. Their product in the sense that third term and seventh term's product is 8. Third term is actually A plus 2D. Seventh term is A plus 6D, which is equal to 8. Now, in place of A, we have to substitute this 3 minus 4D. Okay, A value is 3 minus 4D plus 2D. Here again, A value is 3 minus 4D plus 6D is equal to 8. Now, here simplify 3 minus 4D plus 2D is minus 2D. 3. Okay, minus 4D plus 6D is plus 2D is equal to 8. A minus B, A plus B. Are you observing the identity here? A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square. A square, 3 square is 9. B square, 2D whole square, that is 4D square is equal to 8. Therefore, minus 4D square is equal to 8 minus 9, that is minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. D square is equal to 1 by 4. D square is 1 by 4. What is the value of D? That is 1 by 2. What we have to find actually? See here, sum of the third and fourth, seventh term of an AP is 6. We use that condition. Their product is 8. We use that condition. In that we got the D value. So, if we substitute this D value in A, in this first equation, we'll get A value also. What we have to find? Find the sum of the first 16 terms. Let us calculate A now. A is equal to 3 minus 4D. A is equal to 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2. Then A is equal to 3 minus 2. That is A is equal to 1. Is that clear? A value we got 1. Sum of 16 terms we have to find. Which formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If a is given and d is given, if we know a and d value, so 16 terms, sum of 16 terms we have to find, then we have to use sum of n terms formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N value is 16. 16 by 2. 2 into a value is 1. 2 ones are 2. Plus here n is 16 minus 1, that is 15. D is 1 by 2. Then S16 is equal to, here 16 by 2 is 8. Then 2 plus 15 into 1 by 2 is 15 by 2. Then here LCM method. 4 plus 15 by 2. 8 into 19 by 2. Then 2 ones are, 2 fours are. That is 4 into 19. Yes, 16 is equal to 76. Sum of the first 16 terms is 76. I think we have worked out this type problems. Okay, na? So many problems we have worked out now. A value actually. A value, not completely A value. A form will get. So substituting that A form in the second condition, there you will get D value. Exact D value. Then again substituting that D value in the A form, you will get A value. So using that A and D, we have to write AP or whatever sum of n terms. Okay. So this is a problem. I think you have got the 14 problems idea, no? So got the idea of solving the AP problems. Okay. Yes. Yesterday I have sent one more question paper now in your WhatsApp group. 40 marks question paper. Did you got the 40 marks question paper? I sent no actually. 40 marks question paper. Yes, 40 marks question paper you got no students. 1 second. Where is that? Chandana 10th, no? It's not there. Where? After that, today, yesterday. But it is not. Okay, it's okay. Afterwards, we'll see. We got. Okay, okay, Vaishnavi. Yes, one second. Yes, do you have any doubts regarding this assignment, arithmetic progression assignment? Do you have any confusion? Do you have any confusion, students? So this is the end of assignment 1. So you have to complete this assignment 1. So you are writing in one separate notebook, no? So you are maintaining one separate notebook for the assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3, assignment 4, whatever assignments we are given now. So you have to maintain that in the separate notebook because we have to give the marks for that. Okay, so, okay, better. We'll close the recording version. Okay, we have to discuss something. Huh? Shall we close the recording version? Yes, everything is clear now? Arithmetic progression? Okay.